Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to see how to build a door for your fence.
This is the door that we are building in this video. As you can see, it works very smooth, it's properly vanished. We have a closing mechanism we install here and close properly, and the hinges are high quality hinges, so the door keeps on level all the time. As you know, I have a terrorist dog. You can take a video where I explain everything about Mr. White. The maximum size I can find in the DIY stores is 1 meter tall wall fences, so I'm going to build myself one wall fence with a pallet. Okay, I'm going to build a bigger fence door for this place here. We are going to use the car jack to do this job. Okay, I place the boot to see how it will look like. Okay, here we have the thicker poles because these ones were too heavy and shorter. This one was 1 meter and this one was something like 120, 130 centimeter, 140, and this is okay. Now we are going to do this part here of the door. So let's make the mark where we have to cut. 2.5 centimeters, okay, and 2.5 centimeters here. Okay, I'm going to use this glue to fill these holes I have here. You can check the video of the machine here in the car. This is a belt sander.
This is the last thing I have installed. Okay, we can open and close the door so the dog is not able to enter in this place. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.